Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making garlic and onion mashed potatoes. So we have some salted water with onions, garlic, peppercorns and bay leaf, and we're going to put that to boil. So I have about 4 cloves of garlic there, some onion, and you can see the bay leaf there and the peppercorns. So we're going to stir that well. Of course I salted the water well. We're going to stir that, bring that to a boil, and then we're going to add in our potatoes and leave to boil until soft and tender. So now we're going to test with a knife to see if our potatoes are soft. And of course we get in all the infusion from the seasonings that we have in there into the potatoes. So now we're going to remove our potatoes, onions and the garlic. We're going to add some butter to it. If you want, you could add ghee as well. We're going to add some heavy cream and we're going to mash that. Now, if you have a ricer, you can use a ricer at this point. And then you would add your butter and milk. And of course, you add cream to your liking, to your preference. But we're mashing the garlic and onion together. And then I topped it off with some chive as well. Of course, you taste for salt and add more if needed. So that's it, guys, your garlic and onion mashed potatoes. Enjoy!